So back for another video. Today we have here the fairings that have arrived. Some of the fairings. These are second-hand ones. So yeah, there is two bits here of plastic. This is the inner fill of the left side, and this is the for the belly pan. So the inner fill, it was fine. And then when I went to test ride in the last video, this bit here just snapped, like literally just cracked everything. So basically this is like dangling when I'm riding. I did put some double-sided tape here just to hold it so it doesn't snap this side here. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace that, and I'm going to replace this side here of the belly pan because it's all scratched up, and yeah, so I'm just gonna get that replaced. So yeah, I'm just gonna move the bike out there and then I'll have more space. I'm just going to get this one out and put the new one in. Shouldn't be too difficult anyway. So yeah. So here I can show you how this normally cracks. As you can see in the back, if it's too tight, then it's just gonna start cracking, and then this happens. Luckily on this one here, it's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna put that one in now. Now it's all in, as you can see here. Bolts on in, good and firm. I didn't tighten it too much because otherwise it will crack as well. Because this plastic tends to be a bit brittle, like that one. So yeah, now we're just gonna go to the other side and the belly pan, which is a bit gone. So yeah, wish me good luck. Let's go. As we can see here, obviously this one has been scratched up with the rest of the fairing, and it's a bit cracked here. So I'm just gonna have to use some pliers or something, because obviously here I can still use it, but this one is completely gone. Oh yeah, don't know. Let me see. Oh, get it. Here we've got, this one is out, all scuffed up, and this one is going in, which is less scuffed up. So yeah, there's a bit of a problem with these old bolts because they were a bit of a mess to get it out, but we managed. Yeah, it's looking good. Just a bit greasy. Oh. Oil filters right here. Easy access. Gonna be nice for the service. Just gonna give it a clean here, and then I'll try and find some new bolts in the garage to replace these ones. Probably, as you guys notice, this bracket here is snapped off. It's supposed to be connected with this one. I mean, it's not doing that anything, so I'm just gonna remove it, and for now I'm just gonna rock with some zip ties like it was before, until I order a new bracket for this side here, and then yeah, we move along. Yeah, give it a little clean here. It's much better, less greasy. But yeah, that's it. There goes the snap bracket. Now I'm just gonna get a new fairing. So now it's all fitted, all together. Seems strong enough. And much better than the other one now. The inner filler, all solid. So yeah, the next steps will be the green bits here, this one, and especially this one here, because it's got deep scratches, so get that replaced soon. Yeah guys, if you like the videos, if you like my content, just subscribe, comment, like, share, you know what to do. And thank you very much for the ones that actually watch my videos. It means a lot to me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.